Hello everyone. So I made a video, I believe, earlier this year, and in that video I basically talked about the new products that are coming from that are going to be released by Atlassian, and I believe Atlassian announced those products during the summit, or those virtual thing that happened earlier this year. So there were products like Point A and also Team Central, along with, I believe, there is a new one also called Jira Product Discovery. So I did sign up for the waiting list, and recently I noticed that there is a button here that says Team Central right now. So I clicked on it, and I was able to sign up for Team Central. So basically what it will do, it will install Team Central in one of your sites, and you can also do that. I'm not really sure about the price right now, but the moment I logged in to Team Central, I was not really sure what I'm looking for. So if you look at this particular page, so let us open the Team Central product page. Now it says here, take a static out of status reporting. Today's report are more work than they are worth. Team Central will change that. Okay, so I believe they are talking about reporting, and at the same time, instant insight into what teams are working on and why. Okay, so they are talking about some weekly updates. They are talking about basically from FOMO to in the know, and connect work to outcomes. So they are talking about some goals. Then they are also talking about, I believe, various tags that you can create, find answers instantly. Okay, so I love status reporting, said no one ever. Okay, status reporting needed a makeover. Welcome to the after. So this particular page is giving me some information. I think it's more about, from the initial read of this page, I think it is all about, and also the name Team Central. It is basically, it seems like it will be a place where everything will be consolidated, what is happening in your team or your organization or maybe in your project. And at the same time, I wanted to know from where that information would be coming from. Would it be coming from the actual projects or Confluence spaces or other Atlassian tools, or maybe other tools, maybe not, like Slack, or I don't know, maybe some development tools. So they're talking about project history, followers, target date, team, blah blah blah. Okay, get it for free. Learn from teams who have broken up with their spreadsheet. Okay, integrate your communication and tracking. Okay, so this is exactly what I was looking for. So I believe it can connect to other tools like Jira, Confluence, and Slack. Okay, that is it. So after I logged in, I did. I was trying to figure out, but I thought I'll probably do it with you guys so that I'll share my initial review feedback. So this is what I was able to do. Basically, I was able to log in, and the home page talks about last week, and there is nothing right now. What I did actually was, so there is something here. So this week, so on track, at risk, off track, so it will talk about some projects. So what I did, I basically created a new project. So let me do it maybe along with you. So we are doing this test, and we can select one icon and maybe emoticon and create a project. And when you create a project, it will ask you to do something which I'm not really sure what to do. The interface is of course similar to what we have in Jira view, the new view. So what are we doing? We are looking at Team Central. Okay, and why are we doing it? Why not? What will success look like? Learning. So basically some questions and updates, example project updates. Okay, something will come here based on, I believe, the information that we might fill in, and on top there is something called a status, or I don't know what this is, but I can change it to maybe off track, at risk, on track. I guess we are on track. Okay, so what is the current status? All good. when will it be done? Okay, I think it will be done maybe today, post. So I'm just posting something. It's like, posting on Twitter, I guess. Okay, so I think now I get it. Or maybe I'm just, jumping or guessing too quickly. So I believe it is like, feed of what is happening in your project. And can this be linked to Jira somehow? Oh yeah, so there is something called as linked projects. Are we talking about linked projects from... Oh no, so this is not really linked to Jira. It is another project of mine. Let me link it, add a link, I guess. HTTP. Let me add my website, ravisagar.in. Ravi Sagar website. So I have absolutely no idea how. Okay, so tags. So demo, Ravi's boxes. Okay, so we can add some tags. Add goal. Okay, contribute to the goal, and it has picked up my designation, principal consultant, and post one more update. I am not sure what this is all about because I'm actually not sure what is happening here. So there is a limit, just like Twitter, and I believe you can also paste a link to something somewhere, I guess. So I basically pasted a link, and the link, where is the link? I don't know. So maybe I'll just find a link from my website, maybe one of my latest video, and will it show as like a proper thumbnail? Check this video. Okay, okay, all right. Can we have this as embedded video? Add more detail. Anyways, let us post it. Okay, all right. What else? Goals. Okay, so we have one more goal that we can create. Goal 2. Pick a date, maybe in December. And what date are we targeting? Oh, okay, we can select a date, 31st of December, and some details about the goal, parent goal. I'm not really sure what exactly I'm sub goal. What is the whole point of this Team Central? I mean, that is what I'm trying to understand. I'm sure there is a sub goal. So we know about the projects. We know about within projects we have not within projects, but we also have goals. I mean, I can see on top. And how are these goals linked to projects? Then we have more teams, and these teams are actually coming from what I did in my Jira Cloud organization chart. Okay, this is interesting. So this is my organization chart. Oh, coming soon, not yet. So let us see. I'll probably wait. So there is a message here from Rachel. Thanks. I'm trying to figure out how Teams Central works. Okay, let us send a message to Rachel. I don't know, Rachel, who is she? Is she a bot? Or okay, you will get replies. All right, okay. Or maybe can I have this like internally within my company, or is it someone from Atlassian? I guess so. So let us go back to the home page, and no one wrote out any updates. Okay, blah blah blah. So no updates. I did. Okay, so this is okay. So we are talking about this week now. So it's like a feed. So it seems like a social networking platforms like within Teams. And what I was hoping to do, what I was trying to do is how can I link it to my project. So let us take a look at the settings. So we have workspace settings where I can configure my time zone, but at the same time there is something called as personal settings. Switch your notifications to chat. Okay, connect Slack. Can I connect it to my to my Slack instance, which I believe I can. Let us see if it will do anything. Team Central is now connected. You are all set up, blah blah blah. Okay, and let us go to the home. And last week it should have shown this week. I'm not really sure why it is only showing me last week by default. Anyways, I'm sure there is a setting somewhere. So we can now open the all good, connected to Slack, and I'm just trying to randomly check few things here and there. I'm sure this will make sense. Following, okay, so I can also follow and unfollow a project, archive project. So I basically wanted to connect this to my Jira instance. Maybe that feature is probably release notes. Okay, this is something interesting. I can also create release notes. Oh, it's not really from I thought I can create release notes within this Team Central, but I guess it is more about release notes from Atlassian. Anyways, that is fine. So we have projects, then we have goals, and then we have more, and within more we have teams, which we looked at. Nothing much happening here, and that is it. So I'm sure this will probably change soon. Oh, so we can now bring in our projects. So this is what I was looking for. So I need to click on your work. So I need to click on Android, and I believe it will, oh no, it will actually take me to Jira. I was thinking that it will do something within my Team Central. So let me click on, is there any setting here where I can maybe, okay, so it has basically shown me things. Okay, this link will take me to Jira, and if I click on these options here, so this is basically like an audit log, and this is also showing the issues. So I think I understand what Atlassian is trying to do here. Atlassian is basically trying to create this Team Central, as the name suggests, a central place for consolidating, aggregating everything from different sources, and showing like a feed of what is happening, and I believe they will add more features. But I think, I mean, right now, if I look at the current state, I don't really think it is going to add any value to my existing Jira and Confluence setup. But I'm sure Atlassian has plans to add more features to it. And I'm not really sure about the pricing, because when I signed up, there was no mention of the price. So maybe it will be free, maybe it will have plans. I don't know. I will, of course, keep an eye on the updates from Atlassian. And I thought today, because I'm taking a look at this new Team Central, and I thought I'll probably share it with all of you, my initial feedback, and what this Team Central is all about. If you know probably a bit more than me, then please let me know, add a comment. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.